it's Chica. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm feeling better. I felt sick last week, but I didn't feel bad yesterday. I didn't go shopping. Do you want to go shopping with me? After shopping, we can go see a movie. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Those were some examples of the past simple negative tense. Let's go to the classroom and talk about the past simple negative. Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the past simple negative. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video and share our channel to help us grow. Don't forget to subscribe for free video English lessons that come out every 5 days. Let's begin. The past simple negative is used to talk about things that didn't happen in the past. Just like the past simple, it is always formed the same way unless the main verb is be. If you would like to learn more about the past simple tense, we made a video lesson discussing all about the different forms. The link will appear right about here. Let's explain about the past simple negative through an example. The past simple negative uses did not or the contraction didn't with the base form of the main verb. The main verb is not put into the past simple. Felt is the past simple irregular of feel. To make the negative, didn't or did not is used with the base form. Let's look at how to form the past simple negative. Forming the past simple negative is very easy. It goes subject, did not or didn't, the base form of the verb, and the rest of the sentence. Didn't or did not are used to make the negative no matter what the subject is. I didn't. He didn't. She didn't. It didn't. You didn't. We didn't, they didn't. The base form of the main verb is used in the past simple negative tense. Let's look at some examples of the past simple negative. You didn't like the cake. They didn't buy the big car. I didn't eat all the tacos. She did not work on Monday. Did not is only used for emphasis or in formal situations. Aaron didn't enjoy the roller coaster. Joe did not drive to work today. When using the negative form of the past simple tense, didn't and the main verb in the base form is used. The main verb is never in the past simple. Play should be in the base form. The main verb, played, should only go into the past simple if it's a positive statement. I didn't like the movie that much. At the end, when you find out the one guy was really a cop, that was not original at all. The book was very interesting, but the movie was not. Let's go get something to eat. To form the past simple negative of be, not is added after was or were. Let's look at how to form the past simple negative with the be verb form. The past tense form of be changes to was or were. The movie was. The movies were. Let's finish up with some examples. Joe was not feeling well. The rabbit wasn't in the house. Was not is usually shortened to wasn't. The people were not happy. The computers weren't working. Were not is usually shortened to weren't. Welcome back. You did a great job following along with the lesson. Now that you know about how to form the past simple negative, you can make your own. So go out and practice forming your own past simple negative statements. See you next time.